to be looking at the how to calculate the percentage by mass. And we know that mass mass of 1 mole of a compound mass of 1 mole of a compound is equal to the masses of moles of each of the component elements. That is, for example, let's say we have 1 mole, let's say sodium chloride. 1 mole of this sodium chloride, the mass of what? 1 mole of this sodium chloride is equal to what we have. The component, one of the component elements we have here is sodium, and then we have a chlorine. So this chlorine we know that this one is what? 23, and chlorine is the sum of these masses will give us mass of what we have here. That is what we really mean. So in that case, since it's like that, we can also calculate the percentage by mass of each of the component elements. So then we have some questions that will help us do this at the same time. The first one said that we should calculate the percentage. So what is the percentage by mass of calcium in calcium orthochloride? In this calcium orthochloride, what we have there is, let's quickly do the work immediately together. So we have calcium. We're looking for the percentage by mass of calcium. So what we have there should be percentage of this will be calcium all over that is what we're going to look into. We know that mass of calcium here, the mass of calcium is 40. So it's 40. We say that 40 all over 40 plus this other one is 16. Oxygen is 16. This one, chlorine, is also 30, 35. We can put them in brackets there because we have 2 outside. You can say that 16 plus 35. So when we sum it up, everything will give us something that will look like this: 40 over 143. So 143, this will be times 100 over 1 times 100 over 1. So then when we cancel out, we find out that what we have then will be 27.97%. That is the percentage by mass of calcium in this compound we have. So the next one we're going to look at it. We're going to look at the next. All right. The next one we're going to look at here now. We're going to look at the second one. It says that calculate the percentage by mass of oxygen in calcium triazoxide carbonate 4. So in calcium triazoxide carbonate 4, we're going to look at how we're going to calculate that. So in the same way, like we did the first one, the previous one we have done, we can say that you know that this is like this. This is calcium triazoxide carbonate, and everything we have here. To get the percentage of this, we say the calcium over what? Calcium triazoxide carbonate times 100 over 1. So the next thing we are going to do there is we are going to add up This one is, this is for, is it calcium that we're looking for? Sorry, it's not calcium, please. That it's not calcium. We're looking for oxygen. Sorry, calcium. To calculate the percentage of oxygen in calcium triazole Oh wow, what am I even thinking about? So what we have there should be calcium, in fact all of them is 100. So we have oxygen, which is 3 there. That will give us 3 times 16, something like this. We have 48. That's for the oxygen we have. Oxygen is 3. I can put it in brackets. That oxygen is 3 here in this compound. So the next one is that we'll come over. We know that it will give us oxygen, which is 3, all over calcium triazole times 100 over 1. We know that this one is 48 over what? 100 times 100 over 1. So when we cancel out, we will have, so that is what we are going to see in the this thing. That is what we have here. So I thank you so much for being part of it. And then I would like to read your comments in the comment section, and then you can also share, like, and also subscribe if you have not. Thank you so much.